The 10 best free Udemy courses. Udemy offers over 80,000 courses to choose from. Here are the best free Udemy courses for you that we've rounded up. How do you pick the best free courses on Udemy when there are more than 80,000 online courses to choose from? Well, here are a few steps if you are only interested in the free Udemy courses and nothing else. 1. Before you code, Programming 101. I am assuming you are a beginner. You have decided to test the logical side of your brain. So let's start with the basic tools of the trade. This course does not teach you any programming languages but instead offers a gentle introduction to the journey ahead. Like everything else, a coder sticks to some basic principles which you should always remember. 2. Learn Python coding, Introduction to Python programming. Machine learning is hot, but you can't use machine learning unless you know how to program. Help yourself to the basics with this free guide. Python is among the world's most popular programming languages, ranked at the top by IEEE Spectrum in 2017. It is also flexible, as you can use Python for building desktop and web apps if you don't want to go into machine learning. The Introduction to Python programming covers the basics and does not ask for any prior programming experience. 3. Learn AI, Welcome to Artificial Intelligence, Introductory course. As mentioned, AI and machine learning are already shaping our lives. So grab the basics with this introductory course, which is a gentler introduction and is aimed for people who don't have any technical skills behind them. You can also learn the fundamentals from YouTube videos, but this course gives you structure and future learning paths to follow. Finish it in under an hour and then you can pick up one of the excellent machine learning courses on Udemy. 4. Learn Data Science, Introduction to Data Science using Python. Data science uses statistical tools to extract patterns in big sets of data. It overlaps with artificial intelligence and machine learning, as intelligent algorithms are designed to learn more about the world around us. If you want to become a data scientist, your skill sets will include Python, R, Hadoop, and SQL. Start with this primer course, the first of a series, that will stoke your interest. 5. Get introduced to cloud computing, AWS concepts. If cloud services are the present and the future, then Amazon Web Services is at the vanguard. Amazon offers a training and certification path for learning practical skills to help manage the cloud for large enterprises. There are several in-demand niche areas like cloud architecture, container and Docker technology, and even cloud backup and disaster recovery. But this free Udemy course from Linux Academy can be the first step to gather the basic concepts. To make it easier, there are no technical explanations or definitions to memorize. It is visual and conceptual. 6. Simply SQL, Introduction to Databases and SQL Querying. I read somewhere that a data analyst who doesn't know SQL won't get far. But you don't need to look that far, just see how databases are at the core of any business today. The structured query language, SQL, is how you speak to databases. With SQL you can track your own data and make your own reports instead of relying on the tech department. You can even use SQL with Microsoft Excel. This is an introductory course on databases and SQL querying. It is a simple walkthrough of SQL queries and how you can extract data from a database. It is just the right introduction for someone who does not have any knowledge of SQL. 7. Learn your first language, JavaScript Essentials. Want to be comfortable in a foreign land? Learn the native language. Want to be a good developer on the web? Learn JavaScript. It is like a default language, along with Java and C++, if you want to go anywhere. This basic course that will not only show you how JavaScript works but also give you a mini project to do. If you want to try another free JavaScript course, then look at Learn JavaScript for Web Development 2. 8. Make video games, Introduction to Unity for Absolute Beginners. Unity is a complete software application for game development. An integrated development environment, like Unity, is the less difficult way to design your own game. The harder way is to learn the black arts of programming languages like C++ and Java from scratch. Unity gives you many of the assets for game development along with a code editor. So the workflow is much easier. This free Udemy course will show you that workflow, from the installation to the process of controlling game objects with code. Some experience with coding will help, but it is not essential. This course was updated in 2019 with a bonus section at the end. 9. Think outside the box, the world of design thinking. Take any industry, and you can improve your results with design thinking. The methodologies to get the right results are not only for designers. The 17 modules will take you through the steps of need finding, synthesis, ideation, prototyping, and testing. More than 100,000 students are enrolled in this course. You may not have the responsibility to manage big projects yet, but you can use still design thinking to prototype the little projects in your personal life for meaningful solutions. 10. Train your mind, hyperthinking, improve your day-to-day learning and creativity. Hard skills are the bricks, but soft skills are the mortar. You can flounder in your career if you do not develop soft skills like critical thinking and problem solving. Today, a technology career also needs creativity and design thinking. Maybe some of these soft skills will help us save our jobs from the robots. As the world changes every day, this course gives you a few hyperthinking tools that can help you frame a situation and think about it in a new way. With these critical thinking tools, you can take on challenges with more confidence. Select a free Udemy course to begin with. These aren't the only best free Udemy classes, of course. There are many more that are well rated. The word best is relative and you will find your own picks once you work through the course roster. Free Udemy courses are a no-risk introduction to the subjects you are interested in. The only investment is time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel please, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.